This is Husqvarna's very own fleet package. This fleet includes 2 commercial Husqvarna backpack blowers model 350BT, 2 commercial Husqvarna string trimmers model 323L, 1 commercial Husqvarna chainsaw model 455Rancher with an 18-inch bar. The zero turn in this package is a Husqvarna pz6030 commercial lawnmower. This machine has dual fuel tanks, rollover protection, heavy duty frame, large rear wheels, a 30 horse Kohler engine with a Donaldson air filter system, here is your control center, seat, rubber discharge chute. Included in this fleet, you will also get a 48-inch commercial Husqvarna walk-behind belt drive with an 18-horse Kawasaki engine. This machine has greasable spindles, a rubber discharge chute, cogged belts for durability, and it is pistol grip controls.